If you're looking to switch to the dark mode on Snapchat, you're in luck. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to enable the dark theme on your Snapchat app. Tired of the white background and light theme on Snapchat? Follow along and switch to the dark mode with ease. Firstly, ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Snapchat if required. Once updated, open the app and tap on your profile picture located on the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the setting button present on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you spot the App Appearance button and click on it. Here, you will see three options. You can choose to turn on the Match System options, and Snapchat will switch between themes depending on your device theme. If you wish to enable dark mode permanently, select the dark option. That's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.